So do you want to know the exact workout that helped me lose 150 pounds? Then in this video, I'm going to break it down for you step by step. Now, keep in mind that this is not a one-size-fits-all program, and every body is built and is different. But if you're starting out, maybe you're over 250 pounds, maybe you're 300 pounds and a beginner, then this fitness blueprint is a great place for you to begin with. And remember, everyone starts somewhere, even myself. So if you follow this plan, I think you'll find it to be the right combination of simple, safe, and effective, and it's also not going to make you cough up a lung because, again, I've been in your shoes before. So if you're ready to transform your body, then this workout plan will help you get started the right way. No gimmicks, no BS, just real results and actually practical results that has helped me transform my life and body. So when I started my own weight loss journey, this was the foundation of my 150-pound transformation. And keep in mind, as I always say, this is not about being perfect every day, but staying consistent and keeping things simple. So this workout plan is perfect for beginners. But whether you're new to fitness or have some experience, the basics still apply, especially if you're dealing with mobility issues like back pain. Then this routine will help you build strength safely and effectively. So, first thing I have to mention, you need to warm up. Before you even think about jumping into a workout, warming up is so critical. I cannot stress this enough, that's why it's the first thing I'm mentioning. A good warm-up, it prepares your body, also significantly reduces the risk of injury, and improves your performance during your workout session. I always start dynamic stretches and some light cardio, but if you're doing enough dynamic stretches, you don't really need to do light cardio, but this is just to get the blood flowing. Now, if you're dealing with back pain or need more specific guidance, please check out my low back pain series that I'm sure would be out by the time I record this video for a more detailed warm-up routine that you could structure into your own workout or this one that you're seeing right now. So, trust me, warming up the right way will set you up for a much better workout, right? So now let's get into the upper body workout. You want to keep it simple. So for beginners, I recommend splitting your workouts into upper and lower, just 1 and 2. So 2 times a week, that's it. You can do it. You can all manage 2 hours in a week. There's 162 hours in a week. Full body workouts, in my opinion, can be too much when you're starting out and can lead to overtraining or just being overwhelming. So with that in mind, let's keep the focus on the upper body for this section, which should include something like for the shoulders, all right? 2 things for the back and something for the chest. Number 1, you want to start up with a pull-up variation. You want to start with like a TRX row, 4 sets of 4 to 10 reps. These are great for building strength in your back and improving your posture. And the best part and why I suggest the TRX is because you can adjust the difficulty by changing the angle of your body. Number 2 would be some type of push-up variation. This works your chest, your shoulders, your tri. So I would suggest an incline push-up. I would suggest a Smith machine, right? Or just you could start with wall push-ups or any sturdy surface. Whatever you're gonna do, 4 sets, 3 to 15 reps. Now, I say 3 to 15 reps because it depends on your body weight and how difficult this is. This variation is easy on the shoulders, but still gives you a good challenge for your pecs. Number 3 would be a lat pull down. So this works your back. For a strong back, I would suggest a neutral grip pull down, which you could do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. This is a great beginner-friendly exercise and helps begin a strong back and good for it. It's really hard to mess up this form, that's why I'm suggesting it. Number 4 would be a shoulder press machine. Now, I would suggest the machine because it's much safer than dumbbells. You have to kick the dumbbells up, it's kind of sketchy. 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Machines are great for beginners because they keep your form in check while you build strength and you can challenge yourself without worrying about injury. Number 5 would be a core workout. So planks and leg raises. I want you to finish off with planks, 3 sets to failure as long as you can hold it, and then another 2 sets of leg raises until failure. Building core strength is essential for all movements, so don't skip this. As a note, I suggest you skip any biceps or tricep work for now, just to save your energy for the biggest and more important muscles. Once you get a bit more comfortable, you can start adding accessories like lateral raises, arms, etc. Lower body workout. Now let's switch gears to the lower body. You're gonna start with core activation and then move on to leg and glute work. Number 1 would be dead bugs, okay? So this is your core stability, and this also is a fantastic exercise to improve your lower back. I want you to do 3 sets of anywhere from 16 to 30 reps. It's a great for core stability, warming up your body before you hit the legs because it's connected to your hip flexors, helps with your lower back, etc. Okay, next we're gonna go into box squats. So this works your quads, your glutes. It depends on how difficult you want, the higher, the lower, etc. I'll probably pull up a video on the screen. 4 sets, 3 to 15 reps. This exercise is great for learning the proper squat form while doing it safely, especially if you're dealing with any mobility issues. Number 3 would be glute bridges. You could do it single leg, double leg, etc. But again, 4 sets, 3 to 15 reps, depends on how difficult you want it to be. I'll probably pull up a video on the screen. And then once you're comfortable with doing it 2 legs, you can go to a single leg, you can then add weight, etc. Number 4 would be step ups. Step ups are great because it's a unilateral. It helps with your balance, it's also kind of like shitty like to do, but it's really good. So focus on controlling your movement before adding any weight. If you're over 300 pounds, you're just doing it with body weight, it's gonna be hard enough, right? So this is great for balance, leg strength. Number 5 would be leg press. I want you to finish off with the leg press, 2 sets, 15 to 20 reps. The reason why leg press works is because you don't have to worry about form, but like, don't go crazy heavy. Perfect your form first and then add load, right? Focus on form, not load. When you're starting out, the weight you lift isn't as important as doing the exercises with correct form and a full range of motion. It's important to avoid any sort of ego lifting. That's why when you lift too heavy, you will end up hurting yourself. So stick to the basics, master your form, and you'll see results much faster without injury. Remember the KISS rule. Keep it simple, stupid. My principal used to tell me that all the time. The simpler you keep your routine, the better your progress. So now last part will be stretching and recovery. These are just as important as the workout itself. Always finish with a solid stretching routine to prevent soreness and improve your mobility. And remember, recovery is where the magic happens. You don't need to train every day. 2, 3, 4 good sessions a week are enough as long as you're actually progressing and giving it your all. And rest days are essential. You can't work out 7 times a week. They allow your body to rebuild and come back stronger because your muscles need to kind of like recover with like nutrition, and that's a whole other story. But there you have it. This workout blueprint is simple, effective, and perfect for beginners. Whether you're starting at 200, 250, 300, 400 pounds, or just looking to get into fitness, the key is consistency. Consistency is better than failure. So show up, focus on your form, and take it one day at a time. And if you're ready to commit to your transformation, then like this video and subscribe for more awesome videos that will help you on your journey. And then also check out my low back pain series for more warm-up tips and how to stretch up and warm properly, because it would have made this video like 30 minutes long. Until next time, I will see you in the next one, or hopefully I'll see you inside my weight loss community, which link in the description below.